Meaning of expressively.
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 Expressively. The term expressively refers to the way in which something is conveyed or communicated with emotion, emphasis, or feeling. This can apply to various forms of expression, such as language, music, art, and body movements. Expressiveness is often associated with the ability to evoke deep emotions, convey complex ideas effectively, or create a powerful impact on the audience. It is a key element in many forms of artistic expression and can be used to convey both positive and negative emotions, from joy and excitement to sadness and despair.